Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Saturday, as we've yet to see Bitcoin test 44,800, which is a very key level that we're going to be watching here over the next few hours. And of course, if we don't start to come down back towards this $44,800 level, we know we have this 200-day moving average that Bitcoin has been flirting with here over the last 2 days. By the way, I didn't get a video out yesterday because I am still here in California. I'm going to be taking a flight tonight, actually. I ended up extending my stay here for some meetings, but notice here with this 200-day moving average, around the $47,000 level right now, we haven't seen much price action really away from this area. And this has been the major support that we've been monitoring. Of course, right now with Bitcoin sitting at 46,700, we're slightly below, and the weekly candle right now is about to close. And we've stayed at this 200-day moving average and this 50-week moving average. And this is going to be the second week that we haven't breached the initial candle low that was set when we dumped down to that $42,000 level on the 29th of November. That candle closing, we've never come and tested those lows yet. So could we still say that Bitcoin has potentially bottomed out and will spring back up here at this 200-day moving average? I think that that's certainly still on the table. 49,700 is the major level that we need to conquer in order for us to see some further upside and potentially coming back above that 20-week moving average. We are seeing some weakness right now, of course, below the 200-day moving average, but we're still sticking to it, so we can't call this a failure just yet. Now, the interesting thing I think could happen here with 44,800 here so close to current price action and this market structural support, because of the time that Bitcoin has been consolidating in this area, if we were to come and test this market structural support, we could even come below 44,800 and stay inside of this support zone that could eventually spring Bitcoin back up to see further highs and not to get back below 41,000. And so it's going to be very interesting to see if we do come and test 44,800 and even some potential levels below that. Are we going to be seeing the volume come in at this area? Because if that's the case, that would be that final confirmation we're looking for. That could be where the institutions were looking to put in some more volume. When we initially tested 42,000, that was where we saw the most amount of buy pressure that we've seen throughout this whole consolidation. And we've actually seen even bigger spurs of buy pressure come in, indicating that there's potentially institutions are now buying this area for Bitcoin. So we really want to monitor this area here, 44,800 being the major support and 49,700 being the major resistance. And more importantly, the Ethereum Bitcoin chart showing some very good strength, potentially coming back to test 86,000 Satoshis. That's going to be a key level that Ethereum could break out and see continued price discovery. I wouldn't say that the puzzle pieces outside of Bitcoin are necessarily in favor of the bulls right now, closing the week. We did have that dump in traditional markets, so I wouldn't also say it's bearish because we're still above the 50-day moving average. The gold to Bitcoin chart is testing this 200-day moving average right now. So we're at very big points of either resistance or support with a lot of these charts. This could be the week that things unfold and we start to see some more volatility and price action. So as we've been monitoring this $44,800 level and the resistance of 49,700 is the range and the game that we're playing right now with Bitcoin. So it's going to be interesting to see how things unfold this week. I appreciate each and every one of you snipers tuning into our channel. I'm going to be in Florida for sure tomorrow. I know that I thought I was going to go last week, but it ended up switching up with the days, and I had some meetings come up here in Los Angeles, but it's definitely time to go. And so I'll see you guys in Florida. Thank you all for tuning into the Snipers channel today. And until next time, snipers